Hello food lovers, welcome. Today's recipe is bold, smoky, buttery and simply irresistible. We are making tandoori smoky wings glazed in a rich makhani sauce with a fiery desi kick. And of course we have Chef Tarun with us to bring this indulgent dish to life.
Thank you, Priya. Hello everyone. This is honestly one of those dishes once you start eating you can't stop it. It's smoky, spicy, buttery and messy in every possible way.
Basically everything we want.
Exactly.
So let's get started. What are the ingredients we're using today, Chef?
Let's check it out. We start with chicken wings. Then we have ginger garlic paste, fresh yogurt, chopped onions, cooking cream, fresh tomato puree. We got some honey for the sweetness, kasuri methi, fenugreek dried, fresh coriander. For the spices, turmeric powder. Then we have coriander powder, salt. Then we have garam masala, black pepper powder, and then we have red chili, and then we have some oil.
Okay, all right, so let's get started then.
Before that, we missed out on our very important ingredient. You want to know what is it?
You tell me.
Let me take it out. Lurpak Soft.
Our star ingredient.
So first things first, we are going to do our chicken wings marination. Let's take some oil.
There you go.
1 tablespoon.
Ginger garlic paste.
Yes, 1 teaspoon. We need some spices, so we'll start with turmeric.
Okay.
Just a half teaspoon. Then we need some chili powder, half teaspoon as well.
Okay.
We'll take our yogurt, so around 2 tablespoon, and some seasoning, so some salt,
Okay.
just a pinch to taste, and a little bit of black pepper, half a teaspoon as well. So what are we going to do? We are going to mix this marination and get a nice beautiful color.
And then we'll add our chicken to this and leave it to be marinated for some time, right?
So let's drop our chicken wings. So now we are using around 400 to 500 grams of chicken wings. That's it.
And we set this aside.
Now while that goes into marination, we can start with our makhani sauce. It's super quick, super easy. We are going to start with Lurpak Soft. One tablespoon.
Ooh, and there the sizzling sound begins.
Yes.
So that's where all the good things begin.
Exactly. We are going to start with red onions. So this is 1 full chop red onions. So now if you see the onions are almost done, we are going to add our ginger garlic paste.
Okay.
1 teaspoon to the pan. Now we are going to add our tomato puree.
Okay, here you go. That's ready with us.
Yes, so this is a puree of 3 tomatoes. Goes inside the pan. Once it starts bubbling, we are going to add our spices to the pan.
Okay. I guess we're almost there.
Yes. Okay, so tomatoes are almost cooked. Let's bring out the spices.
Okay, so turmeric.
Yes, we'll start with turmeric. Just a half teaspoon. Coriander, 1 teaspoon. Then chili powder.
Okay.
Just a half teaspoon as well. And we are going to mix it through. Okay, now we need to add our cooking cream.
Cooking cream, okay.
3 tablespoons.
I can see the restaurant style makhani gravy is getting ready now.
It's time to add honey now because
Okay.
for the sweetness.
Yes.
Thank you. Just a little more, around 2 teaspoons of honey. Now this is almost done, Priya. So let it simmer on a slow heat. We will take another pan. It's time to cook our chicken wings.
Let's go.
To start with, we are going to take our Lurpak Soft. Since our pan is hot, we'll start with.
Can I do that? Okay.
Beautiful, you did it right.
Okay. Let's go with the next one. I can be a good assistant in the kitchen.
Yes, it's just getting burned. We need to move
You
fast.
need to be faster.
Yes.
Okay, okay. It's the first time, chef.
So we are going to give them a nice color on each side.
Nice.
So once they are halfway done, it's time to flip them.
Wow, look at that.
Yes,
Color.
this is the color and caramelization we are looking for it. So now we let it sit for another 5 to 6 minutes, and then we're going to add our makhani sauce into the same pan. So our chicken wings are completely cooked. They got nice color on it as well.
And now we are going to add the makhani.
Sauce directly to the pan.
And completely coat the wings with it.
Yes.
Wow. This definitely looks like a wipe your hands later kind of recipe.
Totally.
मुंह में पानी आ रहा है, chef.
It is. So our last step is to add kasuri methi.
Okay, here you go.
Crush it nicely and gently pour it into the pan. So we are going to toss them another 2-3 minutes so that they get a nice coating of makhani sauce.
And then I just dive into them with my fingers.
Of course you can.
It is going to be finger licking good, right?
Yes. So Priya, this is almost done. Let's add my favorite coriander leaves.
Okay.
Pass me the plate, please.
Chef, I'm ready with my plate. Please serve me.
I'm ready with my makhani wings. Now we are going to add
Some cream.
some cooking cream.
Okay, so we get the butter chicken kind of a look.
Yes.
Wow, they look smoky, buttery, spicy.
Yes.
Just perfect.
Yes.
Okay.
There we go. And
We have a lot of
makhani
makhani
sauce.
gravy.
And if you feel that you need a little bit of sauce as well, you can of
Add
course.
it on top.
And that's it.
Whoa. Thank you, chef. This is all for me, I know, and I'm ready with my gloves to have this. Can I?
Yes, please.
Okay, then. Okay, wow, they're hot. Sorry, I can't talk until I finish this.
Thank you, Priya. This is the perfect dish for gatherings, game nights, or even anytime your craving hits.
Chef, can you say my lines also? Because I'm just going to wipe this out in the meantime. No, but seriously, thank you so much for this indulgent recipe. It is just, I've out of words now.
Thank you so much.
And if you guys are looking for something that's bold, rich and full of flavor, then these smoky tandoori wings with makhani glaze are definitely worth a try. We're going to be back with more delicious inspiration from the kitchen. Thank you. See you again and see you never.
See you next week.